Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIB. In today's video, I will be giving the demo of how does the approval required feature works in the report section in AIB. So let's get started. For the report section, we'll go to the hamburger menu. In the hamburger menu, we'll go to documents, and in documents, we'll go to reports. Now in reports, I'll double click on the folder and I will double click on the file in the folder. Here we'll first of all go to the output. In output, I'll set the format as PDF. Here I'll click on the email option and I'll click on the email ID from the list of the email IDs with whom I would like to share the report, and then I'll click on schedule. In schedule, when I clicked on once, you'll see that the approval required option comes up, and now I will be selecting the user whom I want to approve this particular report. So here I'll select the user, like I selected Amy here, and I'll click on schedule. Now, once I do this, I'll again go to the hamburger menu. In the hamburger menu, I'll go to request, and in request, I'll go to the request option and I'll click on running, and I'll click on the report that I just now sent for approval, and I'll click here on waiting, and you'll see the stage. You can easily track the stage of the report here. You'll see that we had executed the report, that is completed. We had sent the report for approval, that is also completed, but we have still not received the approval, so it is in waiting. And since we have not received the approval, the email will also not be sent. Okay, so now what we can do is we can go to the top right hand side and we can just click on instant message, and we can send message to the person whose approval is required, that is Amy. We can give it a particular, a suitable subject, report approval, and we can simply write please approve the report, and we can click on send. So you'll see that a message is instantly sent to the person for approval. Now when I log out and log in as Amy, that is the person to whom I have sent the report for approval, I'll be going to the hamburger menu. There I'll go to control panel. In control panel, I'll go to top right hand side, that is the notification icon over here. Since it is disabled, I'll enable it and click on submit, and then I'll click on save, and you'll see now that the notifications have come since we enabled it. So now I'll click on approvals, and you'll see that this is our report which we had sent to Amy for approval, and the status over here is that the report has been, approval has been received, but the approval has not been given. And we have options over here, like we have preview if you wish to preview the report. So here we can preview the report in PDF format. If you wish to add a comment, you can also add a comment and click on send. Now, if the preview and the comment and everything looks right, you can give it the final approval by clicking over here on the approve option. And now you can click on approve, and you'll see that the read status also changes since the report, since the request has got the final approval now, and the acknowledgement here you'll see approve, which means that this report, this request has been approved. Now when I log out and log in as Malvika, and now I go to hamburger menu and go to request section again, and there again I'll go to request, I'll go to completed. Now I'll see that the report that I had sent, where it was in waiting stage since it hadn't received the approval, now that it has got the approval, it is completed, which means the report has got the approval, and as the report has got the approval, the mail has also been sent. So this is how the approval required feature works in the report section in AIB, and this is how you can actually track the various stages of that report also. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe, and comment in the section below. If you have any specific questions, queries, mail us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.